What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I made this little robot. I like it a lot. It's kind of tiny, but it's good because very simple. You get stuff from off shelf. Off shelf is the stuff you get to build this. Very simple. And in the video I did not explain how the wiring goes together for the circuit, so I'm going to quickly show you on the whiteboard how to do this. So don't worry, I'm a professional. Alright, so let me explain the circuit here. We have two motors, and I want them both to spin in the same direction. So I connected these two negative terminals and these two positive. If you don't know which one's negative or positive, I didn't know either. So I basically just turned the motors on and made sure they're going the same direction, and I connected the according terminals. Then you have your 9-volt battery. Electricity goes from this negative, I connect it to the negative, and that obviously connects it to the other negative. And the positive, I put through a switch, and then to the other positive, and that's basically how the circuit works. And then for LEDs, I basically just connected, if this is my light bulb here, or one of them, and you have your two terminals, I connected one to the positive, and when the one that goes to the negative, I put a resistor in there, and that basically just resists the current, slows it down so you don't break your light bulb. But yeah, that's basically how it works. So now I want you guys to enjoy the video and make sure you subscribe to my channel to help me make more videos like this because you guys like it. Very good. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, so for the first build, we're gonna need two small motors here. I believe I got these out of like a remote control car or something. So we're gonna need two of those, a 9-volt battery, a 9-volt battery connector, and then a couple paper clips, an on and off switch. And then this part is optional, but I'm gonna put two LEDs on the front. And then also you're gonna want a piece. I got foam board here. You can also use some cardboard, work just as well. Alright guys, so first you're gonna wanna cut out a little piece of cardboard or foam board. This is approximately 3 inches by 1 inch. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by cutting that out. Alright, so now that we got the motors glued on, I just slid these little pieces of like this rubber on here. If you don't have that, you can also put a bit of hot glue, but these are just going to act like little tires. And now what we're going to do is we're going to bend it just about in the middle here. And we're going to bend it up like that. And I'm going to put some glue in there to hold it all together. So it's basically going to sit like that. Alright, so we got these two LEDs wired up, and on one end I have the resistor. Alright guys, so I finished putting it together. I basically just flipped the top part around because the motors were spinning the wrong direction. And then you can see the lights under there, and the motors are on. And I put this little plate on the front here. And then if I turn it on, you see the lights turn on, and the motors are spinning really fast. So if we take a look and see how it works, it has, I think, too much power. I'm gonna see if I take off a little bit of plastic on the shafts of the motor, it'll probably travel less distance, and it might not flip over as easy. Let me try that. There we go. Alright guys, so there we go. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, a like. Same thing. Alright guys, so there we go. That is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a like and comment below if you want to see any other types of videos like this or little robots, DIY videos. And also you can check out my Instagram page at KB_KingBuilds.
And make sure to subscribe.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.